Welcome to Sabatini's Italian restaurant on the Sun Princess. Come with us tonight as we take you through everything that we're going to have to eat here and give you a full review of our experience here at this specialty dining restaurant.
At Sabatini's tonight. This is my gluten-free bread. And this is Chet's bread. And olive oil and vinaigrette to dip it in. What you got?
I got my starter here. It is fried shrimp and fried calamari with some special sauce for it. I will point out each item on the menu as we go through it.
Okay.
I think it's going to be delicious. So we'll try it with their sauce. That's wonderful. That is wonderful. I would definitely order this again. And the sauce is amazing. I don't even know if it needs sauce though. Let's try it without it. It don't need the sauce, but the sauce is good with it. I could eat either way, with or without the sauce. Okay.
So I got the tomato soup. The only thing about this tomato soup makes me a little leery is that it has beans in it. Beans and tomato soup just sounds bizarre to me. So let's taste it with just the soup part.
Everything that you see Robin from Sea Leg Journeys eating tonight is gluten-free.
So it's the kale is very strong. The beans are very strong. The tomato is subtle.
Is that something you'd order again?
It's good. I probably wouldn't order it again, but it is good.
Okay. Bro.
Okay.
And there's something coming.
Something coming.
Something's coming. Oh, here it comes too.
What is that?
Lobby meal. It's an extra virgin olive for comes with this one, yeah?
Oh,
Bon appetit.
Okay.
I'm glad you ain't working with
I'm going to
chopsticks.
taste it around the plate. It's different. It's definitely different. You'll have to try it. Tell me what you think.
So far, so good. You gonna need another bite too?
It's odd. Very odd.
Okay.
And I got a little bit of everything on, I got a little tomato, a little meat, a little cheese, and one of the little fried zucchinis.
I think I got it. Let's hope it was worth all that effort. I never tasted nothing like that.
It's odd, isn't it?
I've never tasted anything like it. I don't know how to describe it either.
I know.
I think it's one of those things, you go ahead and eat a couple more bites, and then it really starts to hit you as being
I think so.
good. But yeah, it's very different.
It's definitely different.
If you want to try something different here at Sabatini's, that might be something you want to look at.
Okay, so we're going to try it again.
So, what is
Let's see if my theory's right on another bite. You start to really catch hold of what you're eating.
I've just never had anything like it.
Me neither.
I don't even know how to describe it.
Well, it's not sweet. It's savory, I guess.
It's savory.
It's not salty.
Nope.
It's
It's not salty. It's savory. Very Italian.
I guess. I mean, yeah. I don't know what else you could say.
I don't know either.
That's a real Mediterranean dish right there, ain't it?
Yeah, Mediterranean. Yeah, that's what And all the flavors seem to combine together. No one distinct flavor sticks out.
Right. Yeah, it all blends together as one thing. That's what I thought too.
You want to take capture of this one, man?
Oh, look at that.
Okay. at that. Oh my goodness.
That looks so wonderful.
That does look good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Chicken Parmesan is what I got.
Yeah.
Chet got
Spaghetti and
meatballs. I want you to look at these meatballs. Turn the plate.
I got meatballs with spaghetti.
Spin the plate. There you go. Look at those meatballs.
No cheese for me. No, thanks.
They look like two. No, thank you.
Look at that.
I'm telling you. Looks like a meatloaf on top of spaghetti. All right, go ahead and taste it.
I'm going to taste my meatballs with spaghetti. That's what I got.
Let's see what the inside of the meatball looks like. Kenny.
Oh, yeah. You see that right there? I just broke off a piece of it.
Oh,
The pasta is a thick spaghetti noodle. I'm fixing to make a mess on myself.
you are. You're going to make a mess out of that.
That's good. That's a thick, hearty sauce on there. Meatballs perfect. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this.
Okay, so I have the chicken Parmesan and potatoes. Those two little pieces are potatoes.
Okay.
So, of course, mine's gluten-free, so they had to cook it in a separate kitchen.
Yeah, everything you see Robin from Sea Lake Journeys eating is gluten-free.
It tastes really good. The only thing I would add to it is garlic.
Oh,
But it's really good.
excellent. Something you would order again if you came
Yeah.
here?
Okay, so every night I have wanted port wine and chocolate. Well, none of the chocolate desserts have been gluten-free at all. You can't have port wine without chocolate. It just doesn't work, right? So we went to the gift shop today to see if they had some chocolate down there that we could buy for me so that I can bring it to the restaurant and have port wine with it. They didn't have any gluten-free chocolate down there. So I told the waiter, I said, listen, I really want port wine and chocolate. I really, really, really do. If you can just find me a piece of chocolate that's gluten-free, I don't care if it's the little swirly thing they put on top of desserts. I don't care what it is. I just want chocolate and port wine. And so he's going to see if he can make it happen. So we're going to see, because I'm excited about it.
The Roker has a blend of chocolate, pralines, and hazelnut ice cream, sealed in milk chocolate surrounded by crushed candied hazelnuts.
Oh my God.
Or the Torta Caprice, it's flourless almond cake blended with rich crema pasticera, caramelized hazelnuts, and exquisite chocolate brittle paired with creamy limoncello, mascarpone, gelato, and a drizzle of premium Frescobaldi olive oil.
So which one do you think?
The last second one that I said had a whole lot of words in it. I'm thinking I'm gonna go back up to the first one and get the Roker. Okay, right here we got Augustine from India. He is here tonight in Sabatini's, and he made the impossible happen. Let me show you what the impossible is right here.
The impossible to happen for me. Y'all all know I'm gluten-free, right? And I wanted port wine and chocolate. I've wanted port wine and chocolate every night, and no one's been able to come up with it. I even said, I don't care if the chocolate is the decoration. Well, guess what I have? I have a glass of port wine. Guess what I have? Chocolate!
And who made it happen?
So, Augustine.
Oh, right here in Sabatini's.
So, and he gave me an A and a 1 for A1.
A1.
Okay, here we go. You ready?
Okay, give it a taste.
Thank you, everybody. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Heaven. I've been wanting that all week. What do you got?
I forgot what I ordered. It's but it looks really good.
It's a lot of hazelnut. I remember that.
It's and I think there's ice cream gelato in the middle. Oh, look, there is. Look at that.
Let's see.
Look at that gelato in the middle of it. And then you go down to the hazelnut crumbs and the chocolate cake that's in there. There's a whole lot going on in this dessert, y'all.
There is a whole lot going on in that dessert.
Wow. That's a lot going on. You got the smooth coolness of the gelato. You got the hard, semi-hard shell of the chocolate around it. Then you got that crunchiness coming from the crushed hazelnuts. Wow.
This is a fantastic dish right here.
Wow.
This may be the best dessert I've had on the ship yet.
Yeah.
I've had a lot of desserts. I think this one probably is the best one I've had. It's right here at Sabatini's.
We hope you've enjoyed this dining with us tonight here at Sabatini's on the Sun Princess. Thanks for coming along with us. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.